We have read that oxidative deamination of amino acids results in the formation of ammonia. This ammonia eventually goes into the urea cycle. Urea in our body is formed from ammonia, carbon dioxide, and aspartate in a cyclic pathway called the urea cycle. It occurs in hepatocytes, that is liver cells. It was discovered by Krebs and Henslett and therefore is also known as Krebs-Henslett cycle. Urea cycle consists of 5 sequential enzymatic reactions. The first 2 reactions occur in mitochondria and the remaining 3 reactions take place in cytosol. Urea cycle begins with the formation of carbamoyl phosphate in the mitochondria from ammonium and bicarbonate ions. 2 molecules of ATP are also used in this reaction. One is used to activate bicarbonate ion and the second molecule is used to phosphorylate carbamate. Enzyme which catalyzes this reaction is carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. Carbamoyl phosphate then reacts with ornithine to form citrulline. Citrulline passes into the cytosol. In the cytosol, the next 3 steps of the urea cycle takes place. First is the formation of arginosuccinate by reaction between citrulline and aspartate. ATP is used in this reaction. Aspartate provides the second nitrogen for the formation of urea. Next is the formation of arginine from arginosuccinate. Fumarate is released in this reaction, which enters the citric acid cycle. The last step results in the formation of urea and regeneration of ornithine by the enzyme arginase. Regulation of urea cycle. Urea cycle is regulated at the gene level. When dietary protein intake increases significantly, the concentration of urea cycle enzymes also increase in the body. On a balanced diet, enzyme levels decline. Under conditions of starvation, enzyme levels rise because proteins are degraded and amino acid carbon skeletons are used to provide energy, which increases the quantity of nitrogen in the body that must be excreted. Short-term regulation of the urea cycle occurs at the level of the enzyme carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. This enzyme has an allosteric activator, N-acetyl glutamate. This metabolite is synthesized from glutamate and acetyl coenzyme A by the enzyme N-acetyl glutamate synthase. Increased ammonia production in the body stimulates increase in the concentration of glutamate in the body through transamination reactions. Increased glutamate, in turn, causes an increase in N-acetyl glutamate synthesis, which stimulates carbamoyl phosphate synthetase and thus the entire urea cycle.